What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to dive into talk about 3 of my all-time favorite travel items that I use on literally every trip. We're going to talk about why I got them, we're going to talk about the highlights of the items, and also how they can potentially help you in the future with your trips. All of that plus some final tips towards the end, so make sure you stick around. Let's dive into it. Don't you just love it when the sun comes out in the UK? Yes, please. Hey. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Benjamin Hardney, back with another video. As you guys may be aware of what I film on this channel, I'm a content creator that puts out content on all things travel and lifestyle. If that's an interest to you, then by all means consider subscribing. Once again, I just want to take out a little bit of time here on this channel to say thank you to you, the subscribers, the viewers, and everyone that watches the videos. Like, thank you so much, man. It is amazing to be able to reach more people and help more aspiring travelers with their travels. And your support helps me to do that, so thank you ever so much. And so without further ado, let's begin and let's get stuck in to this video. Here we go. So first travel item that I want to dive into talk about is this thing, the passport holder. This one is from Amazon. It is a leather tan RFID passport holder. It's equipped with loads of different pockets on there. The reason why I bought this was specifically to be, one, to have a safe space or safe place for my passport and to know where it always is, and also for it to be protected in there with RFID, but also to have a lot of pockets and to have a safe space to put all of my stuff. In the past, I've always learned to have 2 places to store money. One which is normally in my wallet, which would be like my leather wallet, and then also another place which would be in here. So if I do end up losing one of them, then at least I've got a backup on my travels that allows me to pay for stuff when I'm moving around. So talking about the highlights about this travel item, the one thing I love about it is that with the passport going in there, it sticks in there nicely and it doesn't fall out like so. It's nice and equipped with loads of other pockets, such as the one opposite the main pocket in the back. I actually put all of my immunization history in there with like jabs. When I actually bought this product before to go to Southeast Asia, I kept those immunization history in the back there, and believe it or not, it's still in there. So you can tell that it's kept in a safe place, and that it's all very well organized. I've also got visa pictures in this one over in this pocket over here, which is they always stay in there just in case I need them for future trips. And then with the 4 pockets here for cards, as mentioned earlier, that's a great place to put credit card or debit card or something spare as an alternative to putting it in your actual main wallet. And to be fair, like I say, buying this 3 years ago, the first video I did was in Sukhothai in Thailand, and I bought that before that trip, and this still looks relatively new. So it is done very, very well, I believe, and yeah, been a great product to use. So overall, for how it's helped me know where everything is with organisation, safe space for key important documents like immunisation history and visa photos, and also safe space for passport and to know where it always is. Tick, tick, tick. So moving on to the next travel item that I take literally everywhere I go, which is this thing. It is a world travel adapter. This one is a JYD MIX. This is able to use literally across all different countries all over the world. Even on the side it says it's got EU, UK and USA Oz on the bottom. The reason why I got this is because I wanted one adapter that works for all, literally. And from my recent trip to Australia and obviously doing Asia, I didn't want to carry around more than one, you know, and I wanted something that was going to be durable and resistant. Like in the past, I've accidentally dropped adapters before and they've broken, and it's been like great, now I gotta go buy another one. But with this, it's like, you can even feel it, it's proper sturdy, and it's really good to use, yeah. So let's dive into talking about my favourite features on this, okay? So we're in the UK at the moment, so I'm going to use the UK one. On the side here, we've got like a safeguard, so when they're in there, you have to push that button in order to pull them out, like so. Just keeps all the attachments not breaking off, because if you slam it down like that and it comes off, you have to get a new one. So yeah, so when the UK one's fully out like that, and put it in the wall. My favourite thing about it, one of my favourite things about this is the ability to have 4 USBs going. So these here are USB-A's, 1, 2 and 3, and then also a USB-C as well. I can actually charge my phone up with the USB-C and then use the USB-A's for whatever, like charge other things as well. I normally have a lot of gadgets and I take a lot of things with me wherever I go, use them with a tech bag and that, so to have something that charges at a good energy output, but a variety of gadgets as well, this is your one-stop awesome gadget to take with you to serve a multiple array of gadgets on your trip. So overall, this is and will continue to be my go-to travel adapter for all of my trips. Yeah, to be able to use simultaneously all the USBs, to know it's quite sturdy, and that I can plug and it like a multiple mixture of plugs in there as well, especially my Australian ones and my Asian ones, and that's brilliant. And one last feature that I forgot to mention, with previous adapters, there's been like big LED lights on it, so when you're in the dark and it's transferring energy and it's working, that LED light has been so bright to sleep whilst in the dark. This one is actually got a tiny little LED light, but it's not that bright. It's literally at the top there. It just basically shows that it's working, and it's easy to sleep with it on. And normally when you're charging all your devices through the night, which is the best time, yeah, it's not too disturbing and it doesn't annoy other people if you're in other hostels with people as well. So winner, happy days. And so moving on to the last and final of my favorite gadgets, it's this bad boy. It is the Anker portable battery pack. This one has 2 USB-A's. Literally, I bought this as well like 3 years ago, and it's still working. I've dropped it a few times by accident, by the way, and it's still going strong. It has like 4 LED lights here, blue ones, that literally shows you when it's fully charged, and this has charged so many of my gadgets, like so many. The reason why I got it with 2 USBs, because obviously charging like maybe an iPhone and also charging your mate's iPhone or charging another gadget, I wanted something that was going to be like really good with powerful charging that will charge up fast, and also something that's not too big but still packs a punch, and this is done pretty good for that. Also, just to say as well, charging your gadgets on the go is super important, because you never know when you want to use them and take a picture, and we use our iPhones or our phones in general for literally everything nowadays. So when they do lose a lot of battery, this is the saviour. This is what's going to come in and help you. There are so many different varieties of battery packs that you can get on Amazon and beyond. I found that Anker have definitely come through with the product, and it works beautifully. Another thing as well, you don't know, say when I was in Southeast Asia, I never knew like when I'm going to be near some like plug-in charging mains for a while, like unless you're at hostels, because you're moving around so much, swapping hostels and stuff. It's really good to try and have a product that has got a lot of charge in it and that can charge multiple devices, and then go to the mains, charge it back up again while you're sleeping, and then you've still got a backup. You know, nothing wrong with having a strong battery pack backup. Highlight features of the battery pack obviously is the 2 USBs at the top here, that is an input, so that's how you charge it up. But to have two devices going at the same time, wicked. This also charges up at quite fast, high speeds. You can tell by the LEDs here how much you've got left on the charge. But yeah, those are my favourite highlight features for this product. In terms of how long this device charges, I've plugged it in and let it like go up to full four LED lights, and it's been able to charge my iPhone or multiple devices multiple times and last a fair couple days, like, which to be fair is really good, like in my opinion. If you're like hostel hopping or something, you're swapping up hostels every like 2 or 3 days, and then you're traveling in between, go like 10 hours or something to certain places in Asia on like night buses and stuff, then this definitely has played that part in helping me do that. And also if your mate's runs out of charge, then you can use yours or vice versa, and jobs are good. And if you're wanting like an everyday useful travel item that's going to help you every single day, not only are you going to get that value back for money, but also the convenience, the accessibility, and to be able to use it like on multiple trips. Like even if, say if you do like a backpacking trip to Australia, but then you want to go and do like a couple of weeks holiday in Asia, or come across to Europe or something, like I think that these sorts of gadgets, I've trial and tested them, I still use them. I'm not traveling at the moment, I'm at home in the UK, but I still use these every day. Like, as you can tell, my passport's still in there, all of my cards are still in there. This I actually use as my main plug at home, literally where we are now. And like I've literally ran this out of charge because I was charging this up just a minute ago, but I used this in Nuki when I literally went away this weekend. So getting the use out of the gadgets, utilising them, and having the gadgets will also help you like become such a more like stress-free, easygoing traveller, because these equip you and aid you on your travels wherever you go. So 100% really recommend getting them. What I'm going to do is leave a few links and more information about them in the description box below. If you want to check them out, you can go down there and have a look. Some of them might be affiliate links. These affiliate links also help contribute to have you finding these gadgets a bit easier, but also contributing to help the channel and support me to make more videos and put out more helpful content for you guys. So if you do go check them out, thank you very much for having a look. And yeah, I honestly hope that these gadgets and this video can help you in the future with whatever travels you decide to do. And so guys, that brings me on to the end of this video. I just want to say a massive huge thank you for sticking to the end and for watching this video. Hope you got some value out of this. If you have enjoyed, then feel free to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel content coming soon to this channel, and we'll see you guys back in the next video, wherever we are and wherever we end up. Thank you very much. Take care guys. Speak soon.